4. A dialog box will appear confirming the range of cells you have selected for your table. The cells will appear selected in the spreadsheet, and the range will appear in the dialog box. 5. If necessary, change the range by selecting a new range of cells directly on your spreadsheet. 6. If your table has headers, check the box next to my table has headers. 7. Click OK. The data will perform as a table in the style you choose. Modifying tables. To add rows or columns. 1. Select any cell in your table. The Design tab will appear on the ribbon. 2. From the Design tab, click the Resize Table command. 3. Directly on your spreadsheet, select the new range of cell you want your table to cover. You must select your original table cells as well. 4. Click OK. The new rows and or columns will be added to your table. To change the table style. 1. Select any cell in your table. The Design tab will appear. 2. Locate the table styles group. Click the more drop-down arrows to see all of the table styles. 3. Hover the mouse over the various styles to see a live preview. 4. Select the desired styles. The table style will appear in your worksheet. To change table style option. When using an Excel table, you can turn various options on or off to change its appearance. There are 6 options: header row, total row, band rows, first column, last column, and band columns. 1. Select any cell in your table. The Design tab will appear. From the Design tab, uncheck the desired option in the table style option group. B. Excel function and formulas. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of cell. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. For example, cell A3 below contains a formula which adds the value of cell A2 the value of cell A1. For example, cell A3 below contains the sum function which calculates the sum of the range A1 and A2. Enter a formula. To enter a formula, execute the following step. 1. Select a cell. 2. To let Excel knows that you want to enter a formula, type an equal sign equal. 3. For example, type the formula A1 plus A2. Tip: instead of typing A1 and A2, simply select cell A1 and cell A2. 4. Change the value of cell A1 to 3. Tip: instead of typing A1 and A2, simply select cell A1 and cell A2. 4. Change the value of cell A1 to 3. Excel automatically recalculates the value of cell A3. This is one of Excel's most powerful features. Edit a formula. When you select a cell, Excel shows the value for formula of the cell in the formula bar. 1. To edit a formula, click in the formula bar and change the formula. 2. Press enter. Operator precedence. Excel use a default order in which calculation occur if a part of the formula is in parentheses and part will be calculated first. It then performs multiplication or division calculation. Once this is complete, Excel will add and subtract the remainder of your formula. These are the example. First, Excel performs multiplication A1 asterisk A2. Next, Excel adds the value of cell A3 to this result. Another example. First, Excel calculates the parts in parentheses A2 plus A3. Next, it multiplies this result by the value of cell A1. Copy paste a formula. When you copy a formula, Excel automatically adjusts the reference for each new cell the formula is copied to. To understand this, execute the following step. 1. Enter the formula shown below into cell A4. 2. Select cell A4, right click and then click copy or press Ctrl plus C. Next, select cell B4, right click and click paste under paste option or press Ctrl plus B. 2. 2B. You can also drag the formula to cell B4. Select cell A4, click on the lower right corner of cell A4 and drag it across to cell B4. This is much easier and gives the exact same result. The formula in cell B4 represents the values in column B. Insert function. Every function has the same structure. From example, sum A1, A4. The name of the function is sum. The part between the brackets arguments means we give Excel the range A1, A4 as input. This function adds the values in cell A1, A2, A3, and A4. It's not easy to remember which function and which argument to use for each as fortunately the insert function features in Excel help you with this. To insert a function, execute the following steps. 1. Select a cell. 2. Click the insert function button. 3. Search for the function or select a function from a category. For example, choose COUNTIF from the statistical category. 4. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box appears. 5. Click in the range box and select the range A1 C2. 6. Click in the criteria box and type 5. 7. Click OK. Result: the COUNTIF function counts the number of selects that are greater than 5. Note: instead of using the insert function feature, simply type equals COUNTIF close parenthesis A1 C2 greater than 5 open parenthesis. When you arrive at equal countable, instead of typing A2, C2, simply select the range A1, C2. Microsoft PowerPoint, a designing presentation. Themes. Select the Design tab. 2. One of the themes. 3. Select on the variants. Use PowerPoint Designer. 1. Insert one or more picture, a list of items, or a list of dates. 2. The designer panel will open. Select the design you want. You can also bring up designer by selecting a picture and then selecting design. Greater than design ideas. Transition. To add a special effect to transition from one slide to another. 1. Select the slide you want to add transition to. 2. On the transition tab, select the effect you want. 3. Select effect option to change how the transition happens from right from left. 4. To undo a transition, select none. Animation. To animate text or object on a slide. 1. Select the text or object you want to animate. 2. On the animation tab, select add animation and select the animation you want from the drop down. To animate one line of text at a time, select one line of text, select an animation, select the next line of text, select an animation. 3. For start, select when click with previous or after previous. You can also select the duration or delay. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.